In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to place page numbers properly according to the TIU style guide. So if you're doing just a simple class paper, the process is not that difficult as long as you don't have a cover page that has to have no page number displayed on it attached to your Word document. So let's assume that we're just doing a paper with no cover page. So to have two pages, I'm just going to go to Insert and insert a page break. So now I have two pages. And the first one, I'll just call page 1. And then the second one, I'll call page 2. Now, according to the TIU style guide, page 2 should be numbered at the top of the page, 1 inch from the top, and page 1 at the bottom of the page, centered 1 inch from the bottom. So to do this, I'm just going to click in the top part of page 2 in the header there, and I'm going to check different first page. And then I can just go to page number and insert my page number at the top of the page and centered, and make sure that my header and footer are set to 1 inch each. And now I've got a page number at the top of page 2 where it belongs, and no page number on page 1 because I checked the different first page. So now I can come into the footer on page 1 and insert my page number at the bottom of the page, centered, and now I've got page 1 numbered at the bottom and page 2 numbered at the top, and all the other pages that followed would also be numbered at the top. So it's a simple process unless you have a cover page. So let's do this again now. We're going to do a new document, and we're going to say that we have a cover page now. So I'm going to call this page cover. And of course, you wouldn't need to do this in your own paper, but I'm going to insert a page break. So now I've got a second page, and I'll call this page 1. And I'm going to insert a page break again, and I'll call this page 2. Now, I can come back to the top of page 2, and if I try to do what I did before and just put my page number in, top of page, center, then I see I've got a page here, which is actually 3, and I want that too, but I've also got a page number there and a page number there. Even if I check the different first page, then that takes the page number off of page 1, but I still have it at the top of page 1 of the body. So if I try to delete that out just of this page, then I'm still left with a paper with no page numbers. So the trick here is to go actually to each page. So we'll start on the cover page at the end of it, and I'm going to go to page layout, and I'm going to insert a break, and I'm going to insert a continuous section break. And then I'm going to go to page 1, and I'm going to do the same thing, insert a continuous section break. So now if I go to the top of page 2 and click there, then I see that I've got this blue button over here that says same as previous. So that's saying do the same thing in the header of this page or section as in the previous page. So I'm going to change these again to 1 inch. And I'm also going to leave the first page checked. And I'm going to click on this link to previous button here. And that turns that link off. And I'm going to go to the footer on that same page, click in there, and do the same thing. Click link to previous and turn that off. And I'll go to the bottom of the previous page and also turn off the same as previous there, and go to the top of that page and turn off the link to previous there. Having done that, I can now go to the top of page 2 where I want my page number at the top and insert my page number top of page centered. And I'm going to go to see that there are no page numbers at the top of either of the other pages. Go into the footer on what will be the first page of my document here. And again, make sure my header and footer are set to 1 inch, and you can make that your default if you want, so it'll always be that way. Put my page numbers in, bottom of page, center. And now I see no page number here, a page number at the bottom there, a page number at the top there. So what I need to do now, because I want this to actually be page 1, And there's other ways you can do this. But I'm going to go back to my page number and format the page number, and I'm just going to say start at 0. So the title page will be 0. It won't matter because it doesn't get a page number at all. And now the first page is page 1, and the second page is page 2, and all the other pages will be numbered that way as well. So that's how we place page numbers when we need a blank page copy page, a first page numbered at the bottom, and subsequent pages numbered at the top.